Here's Aiden's something notebook. I'm trying to get a thing that I gave him. I think I see him going to swim trying to take his pants off. I don't know why. Okay, yeah, I won't ask why.